Yehovah Elohi Vahu. Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me and lead me, and cover me and stir me, and speak through me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak written words with boldness and humility to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, He, Vav, He. Hand, behold, now, behold. Psalm chapter 133, a song of ascents by David. Oh, how good, how pleasant it is for brothers to live together in harmony. It is like fragrant oil on the head that runs down over the beard of Aaron, and flows down on the collar of his robes. It is like the dew of Hermon that settles on the mountains of Zion. For it was there that Yehovah obtained the blessing of everlasting life. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this fascinating short chapter, 133 of Psalm? We can love Yehovah by cherishing unity as a reflection of his divine design. Love Yehovah by recognizing that dwelling in harmony pleases him deeply. Love Yehovah by receiving the blessing he commands over those who live together in peace. How can we love our neighbors as Yeshua loves us? By pursuing unity and harmony. By pursuing unity and honoring others as sacred vessels of Yehovah's presence. How can we bear one another's burdens? By laying down pride and committing to peace and spiritual harmony. What are the top 3 fruits of the Spirit found? 1. Peace, shalom. Unity is the fruit of the Spirit-led relationships. 2. Love, choosing togetherness, rooted in covenantal care. 3. Joy, delighting in Yehovah's presence among a unified people. We'll end with the Aaronic blessing using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with a hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being towards your, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you, set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Shalom, shalom.